experience the intensity of real-world healthcare training at Western Nevada College. Our nursing and allied health students recently undertook an ER simulation, tackling a variety of health and life-threatening scenarios. From managing acute conditions to life-saving interventions, our students engage in hands-on learning that prepares them for the challenges of the medical field. This simulation isn't just practice, it's a critical step in their journey towards becoming skilled healthcare professionals. At Western Nevada College, we're committed to fostering excellence in healthcare education. Discover how our students are prepared to make a difference in real-life situations. Learn more about our nursing and allied health programs today.